This is the Bubba Zone. It's what you have when you got animals that love you. I got my cat out there on the hood asleep. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a little better shot of it. She's asleep on the hood of my truck. I'm sitting in my truck. I got two of my dogs laying here, right beside my truck. They love me. And wherever I sleep, they sleep close as they can get to me. This is the Bubba Zone out in the country. You know your animals love you.